Hello everyone, this is KingKong IoT. Last video, we have already installed Node-RED on the Home Assistant. In this video, I will tell you step by step how to configure our relay controller, relay output by the Node-RED and running on the Home Assistant. Let's begin. This is our Home Assistant diagram. We can see the Node-RED is already installed. And now we can create your own switch just in this configuration. And this you can see it can help you to build automation. We press add. This is a talk. We choose this one, this type, and you can rename as light 1 just as you needed. Then you can see the overview. You can see this is a switch have created on the Home Assistant. Okay, now let's look at our controller. We need to know the IP and address. This is our IP and this is our port of the controller. Now this time we will need work mode TCP server because this is running on local network. So the controller is a server running on your home. So without internet also can work at the controller. Now we can just do the Node-RED. When we open Node-RED, this is our workbench. So we need to configure our relay. We just need to link the Node-RED and the Home Assistant switch. There is an event state. We can get Home Assistant state. We can use a debug. We can see when we press on and off what information will be output. We can double click. And this server is Home Assistant. And this is Entity ID. We can click the light one. Click this. And this is Entity ID. We can copy. Ctrl+C copy. And in this, we can press paste. And we done. Now we can deploy. We can resize the browser. Now we can use two windows. And choose this debug. When I press off, switch off, you can see this state will output off. And when I press on, you can see this state will be output on. So the node will output the information from the node Home Assistant. By this way, we just add. We can add a switch. If this switch is on, go to 1 and add. If off, go to 2, down. Then we connect this line. And also we can place two functions. Double click. We just tell this node turn on relay 1. If turn on relay 1, you can see our website and the development. You can see the protocol. What command you send will be turn on relay 1. You can see this protocol. And this is turn on relay 1. Just send this string. I have already copied in this way. So I just copy. It's save time. We just copy this, set relay set 1 1. This means channel 1. This means on. The 255 never changed, just fixed. Then we press down. And also this is for on operation. This is for off condition. We double click also. Just change this 1 to 0 and down. And you can connect this debug to this line. Clear. You can see when I press on, this send this stream. When I press off, this will connect this. Press on, send this string. Press off is 0. Press on is 1. Okay, this is can send command. Now the next step is add the TCP out. This is TCP out. We can delete this. And double click. This is choose connect to port. Port is this 4196. And the host is server ID is this IP. Okay, we press down. And now you can deploy. You can see this node TCP have connected our controller. Okay, now we can press this button. Press this button. You can see turn on relay 1 and turn off relay 1. So it's very easy. Just use this command. I have cost 5 minutes. You can turn on relay 1 and turn off relay 1 on the Home Assistant. So if you can use channel 2, create the second light. This is light 2. Create. Then we can see there are 2 lights. And also we can refresh the browser. You can see light 2. You can click and see the entity ID and copy this entity ID. Oh, there is a function you need to remember. When you finished, you can use this export to save this photo. You can press download, then this will be saved. So we can press copy again and double click this note and just change to light 2 down. And this switch is not changed, need to change. And this function, you just change relay 2 down. And this also change to relay 2 down. Now you can deploy. Okay, this is running and connected. And now we can refresh. Then we can turn on relay 1 and turn on second relay. And now you can turn off relay 1 and turn off relay 2. So it's very easy. This is Android phone and iPhone. We have installed the Home Assistant application. You can choose which type you will to use. We can see this is Android phone. I can press on and press off, press on relay 1, relay 2, and also turn on all relay. You can see when I press the button, the iPhone relay state will change at the same time. Also, if you use iPhone, you can to change the state. So you can see this is work at the same time. In this video, you have successfully controlled the relay output from your mobile phone or from your PC. In next video, I will tell you how to read the input state of the relay controller. Then you can read the sensor, the input state, and you can trigger for any output. So it's for automation, automatic control many actions. Thanks for watching.